Good morning. It's Candyland. Yum. Okay, Scooby-Doo. Let's go with Scooby-Doo first. These are awesome little flashlights. Look at the faces. The Scooby-Doo family. Scooby-Doo. And there's a candy inside. It opens like this. Wow. And you can remove it and play with your truck. Oh, the wheels don't turn. It's just a keychain. Nice keys. Nice keychain, not keys, keychain. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Anyways, this is the candy. Nice Scooby-Doo doggies. Some candy. Let's check out the candies. Oh, it dropped all over the place. Let's get the bowl together and put it all in here. Nice little yummy candy balls. Okay, we got some more nice surprises today. I'm going to go on and try the school bus. Back to school. Have you got to school yet? Almost. Get in there. Nice wheels. The school bus actually is automatic. If you push it back, it will go towards the front. Okay, let's open it. I think this is where it opens. I don't have any nails, so it's gonna be a little hard for me to open it. There you go. I got the ball, the drops all over. Here is the candy. From my school bus. And voila! We got some white balls, we got some blue balls, we got some green balls. Let's try them. I'm gonna try this big one and the small one. I'm gonna try the green small and the big green. My two favorite colors, green and green. And they're both my favorite colors. Actually blue, I'm gonna try blue too. This is very similar, both of them. And I got some nice lollipops, different flavors. This is the orange Minion, lemon Minion lollipop, and also the banana. Wee. I got some race cars filled with some candies. Nice. Sweet racers. Okay, let's take some candy, some other stuff. I'm gonna try the lollipop, I guess. The orange, yummy lollipop. Look what it does. Just turns around and around and around and around. And let's open the lollipop now. Oh, it just comes off. And you can have the lollipop by itself. Here we go. Got it. And I want to try it. It looks good. Yummy colors, blue and orange. Nice flavor. I think there's some other flavor mixed with this. It doesn't say, so let's put it back. And I'm gonna try another flavor, lemon. See the Minion here. Just removes. Oh, you can switch it, turn it a little bit. Turn. Let's check out the lollipop. And this is my lollipop. Yellow and orange. Which one is best? Let's find out. Okay, this lemon lollipop is so artificial. Well, not the best. Let's go on. I got lemon, orange so far. Now let's try banana. Banana Minion. Oh, just came off right away with everything else. Voila! This is my lollipop. It looks like more than two colors on it. A blue line, a green and yellow line. Mix the green with the yellow. It looks more yellow here. Let's try it. Yeah, definitely the banana is the best one. Less artificial, yummier, more flavor. And now I'm going to go on and check out what else. the vehicles. I gotta check out the candy inside this vehicle. The sweet racers. Oh, sorry about that. Let's check out the vehicles now, the sweet racers. And take out the candy and pour it in the bowl. Oh, nice little cars. Here we go. Check it out. Nice little cars. Alright, try the blue one. Like this. Oh, let me get a closer look here. Look, you see? It looks like a motorcycle a little bit. Nice. These candies are the best ones. Let's try out the blue and the yellow one now. I like these candies a lot. My favorite out of this episode. And now the orange one. Yum. I like this one a lot. Okay, I tried everything. Tried all the vehicles. I'm gonna remove all my vehicles out the way and find the candy. Oh, here it goes. Now and later. Pink now and later. I haven't had that in a while, and this is a sour one. Let's get some sour now and later. I want to give it a try. That's very chewy. And this is a watermelon flavor. This is very chewy, but I don't like watermelon. It's not extremely sour. It's not extremely sour. One more to go. Maybe another sour one. Another now and later. Long-lasting flavor. But this one is not sour. Let's try it anyways. Let's see the difference. Because this one, the first one wasn't sour. Oh, okay, let's remove the thing. Bite on this part right here. Red candy. Oh, very soft too. I like this flavor. I always try the M&Ms. I haven't tried M&Ms from a little while now. I have some new candies and some old candies. You can try all kinds. I'm gonna try yellow, and I'm gonna try green, and I'm gonna try this one here, brown. I'm trying to blue. Very yummy. Let me try the orange. I'm trying one more. I tried everything. I didn't try the red. Now I tried everything. Let's go on and try another one. Let's get deeper and deeper. Mamba. Sour Mambas. Oh, let's try one. Let's open this Mamba. Nice pink Mamba. Let's see if it's soft. Yeah, so soft. Not extremely soft, but very nicely soft. Very nice flavor. This is actually a raspberry. That's really good. Is it better than the Now Later? I think the Now Later is yeah, this one is better than the Now Later. Which one is your favorite? You think Now Later is better than Mamba, or Mamba is better? One more to go. Tried everything. All the soft and chewy. I didn't try Starbursts. Starburst on the go to finish the video. And after the Starburst, we're gonna compare Starburst with Now and Later and Mamba. Let's try the orange one this time from Starburst. Is this gonna be soft or not soft? Let's see. Very soft. Wow. Very juicy. How can they make it so juicy? Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel for the candies. I hope you're giving me a like. and have a nice day.
Haha, yay, it's Candyland. Yum, yum, yum. Let's open up the first surprise. Oh, look, we got a Minion mayonnaise. Yay, let's open that first. A yellow blind bag. Let's see who's inside. How cute! Look, the funny mini mayonnaise. A funny cute green and yellow Minion. Yay! Now let's see what's inside the purple. Wow, it's the cute unicorn pony. Yay! Let's see what's inside the blue. Oh look, it's our cute blue Smurf. Super blue. Yay! Let's see what's inside the red. Red, 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 red. Oh wow! It's Spider-Man. The red Spider-Man. Super red. Yay! Now let's see what's inside the orange. Oh nice! We got Peter Pan. Awesome! Let's open up another surprise. The Shopkins. Let's see what we got inside. The flyer. That's a huge collection. Let's see what we're gonna get inside. Let's open it. Look how cute. This is the one we got the last time. They both the cutest. This one is blue and this one is green. Blue, green, blue, green, blue. Let's open up the green now. Oh, we got two blind bags inside. Two yellow ones. Let's open it. Oh wow! This looks like a shoe. A beautiful Shopkins shoe. So cute. Nice. Let's open up the other one. What do we have here? A piano. That's nice. The Shopkins piano. Awesome. Now let's open up the surprise-a-malls. They're supposed to be the mama and the baby. Ha, let's see. Oh, cute. We got the mama and the baby indeed. That's super cute. That is super cute. Yay! Now let's open up the other one. Let's see if we're gonna get the mama and the baby too. Oh, look at that! Cuties! Yay! Here's the mummies and the babies. Super, super cute. Nice. Now let's open up the unicorn surprise egg. Oh, it's our Minion surprise. Yay. Another surprise to open. Oh look! Nice! Here's our new blue friend. Yay! Blue, 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 blue. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big like. And I see you in the next one. Hey, if you liked that video, give it a big like and click on one of the next videos. See you next time. Bye bye.